Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing a couple unboxings. So these phones are technically from the same seller, so I'm just going to put it in one video, makes it easier. And this is just one phone where this is a couple, so I had to scratch out some of this, so that was exciting. So there's another shipping label inside a shipping label. There we go. Here is the Samsung SPH A660 on Bell. I have one of these on Sprint. So there it is, got the glue for the rubber deterioration as normal. One of these older Samsung phones. Looks to be in alright shape, I would say, for the age. I don't see a water indicator anywhere on this device, but it doesn't look like it has any signs of water damage. So I'll have to try my battery out of my A660 and see if it works. And then for this one, I've had these phones here for almost a month. This one came, it was shipped April 4th, and then this one was shipped March 28th, so they've been kind of sitting around for a while. I was going to do when I did the drop test videos and I forgot about them again, so. There you go, VX 3200. Like I said, there's a couple other phones in here as well that I ordered with this. So here is an AudioVox CDM 8615. This is with Bell as well. And yeah, I cut my thumb in the accident, so that's where that came from. I don't have one of these just yet. I've been looking at getting one, so I figured why not. It's the Motorola V195. And this is on T-Mobile. It looks to be dead. Maybe, yep, maybe not. The keyboard came on, I thought. There we go. So you can see it does seem to work. It's in alright shape as well. Motorola logo lights up. There we go. Indeed, it works. And then this is the 3200, I'm guessing. Yep. And I think it might be charged as well. And it's on Altel. It's in really good shape, I would say. A few scratches, normal wear and tear, I would say. There we go. And then this charger is an LG, so yeah, it takes the side charger right there. And then you also have your bottom cable for data transfer and stuff like that. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.